what we're doing is we're starting with the right door and the right screen, since the right screen most of the time has a latch on it. And to set the screen, after I put my little rubber tip on there, set the screen, I want to take the screen back. So take it back, in is out and out is in. I was looking pretty close, so I'm gonna go in a little bit with the top and with the bottom. That looks good, so I'm gonna go to the left door. Left door is pretty much overlapping, so I'm gonna have to bend them in to get them to go out. So I'm gonna try to start back straight up and down and go from there. I'll go back a little bit more with the top. That looks pretty good. Now you try to line it up at the top. The left one looks pretty good, so at the top, I'm gonna try to match it up with the top pin. Just pop it on the ground one time, or maybe two. Looks good. Go on with that. It wasn't square, so when I hit it on the ground, it kind of, if you hit it on the top pin, you're gonna bring the top end up.
I got you.
If you hit it on the bottom pin, it's gonna knock the bottom down.
It's just adjusting that whole edge.
Yeah, so when I hit that top pin, I brought this side up to match that side. Don't have to do it hard, just enough to bump it.